to Anita's kitchen. So today I just fancied having some cabbage. So I'm going to be making a spicy cabbage stir fry. Traditionally this is called a Kobi Sambharo. Kobi means white cabbage and Sambharo in Gujarati means any dry curry. If you're making this for a family of 4, then you need 1 whole head of white cabbage and you need to shred it into bits. So you just either use your knife or you just need a mandolin. So it's nice shreds. A bit of oil, a bit of salt, mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Simple, done in 15 minutes, and it's delicious. So let's get started. About a teaspoon of oil, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Stir that around. Roast that for a bit. Put your cabbage in. You need 1 whole chili. And a bit of turmeric. So I'm going to be using, instead of salt, I'm going to be using an alternative. It's made out of mushrooms. So just half a teaspoon. The taste will still be the same. And I like mangoes in this dish, but instead of mangoes, I'm going to be using a mango and lime chutney. So about a teaspoon of that. It just enhances the flavor of the whole dish. And just stir this around. And you don't even need to put any water in this dish. So stir that around. This needs about 5-10 minutes to cook, and I'll see you in about 5-10 minutes. So now this is ready. You need the cabbage to be crunchy, so don't overcook this, otherwise the crunchiness would go away. So now I'm ready to plate up. It's nice, simple, easy dish that you can whiz up after work. So enjoy this. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.